What's up everybody, it's your boy the Saiyan Satsumi back at it again with another video. Today, I thought I'd just give you an update. Me and my family have had a lot of exciting things happen to us recently, so I thought, let's just do an update video about it. Now the first thing I'll talk about is probably the thing that I'm going to put in the title of this video. It is, we bought a new car. Yay! So as you guys know, it's me, my wife, and my two sons, and we will be having a third baby in a couple of weeks. So again, yay! But with that, we thought we should probably start looking for a new car. So in December, we started looking for a brand new car. So at first I was just trying to decide what kind of style we wanted to get, what kind of car that we could see ourselves driving. And we were trying to avoid going for vans because they're vans. They just don't look cool, you know? But we ended up deciding that vans had everything we needed. So the seat space that we needed, the boot space that we needed, anything in a 7-seater, the seats were foldable. They come up, they come down, which is cool, because if you don't need them, you don't need them. You fold them away, you've got bigger boot space, but when you fold them up, you have way less boot space. It's easy to put the kids in and out of the car seats. You don't have to sort of duck down or anything. You can sort of stand up in it. So we decided that a van was the best option, and that's what we're going to look at. And that search led us to the LDV G10 Executive. Now this car had everything we wanted. It was in our price budget, and it also had a lot of features that we didn't think we could get for this price. And to be honest guys, I've never had a brand new car. 29 now. I've had a fair few cars, but I've never had a brand new car. So this thing to me is like a spaceship. It's huge. It's like 1.9 meters high. The outside look of the car I think is very sleek. We like this gray that we've gone with. But anyway, let's get into some of these super cool features that we love. They have automatic doors. Yes. Automatic doors. Using the key, you can open up the doors automatically, or you walk up to the door and you click it and it will open. Super convenient if you got a kid in your hand or a kid in a bag in your hand. You know, it's just easier to get into the car. It's also got one of those wavy motion sensors on the boot, so once you wave your foot across it, it'll open it. Again, if you got your hands full or anything, that's a cool feature. Going inside, we have 7 leather seats. Now the 7 seats fits perfect for us because obviously, there's 5 of us now, which leaves us 2 seats for cousins or aunties and uncles, even the grandparents. One of the biggest features that I love about this is there are air conditioning vents all throughout the car. So as you can see, there are 3 at the back here, which makes it super airy. And I know we used to own a Toyota Tarago when I was a kid, and it would get stuffy at the back. You'd really try to open up those little windows, but with this, the aircon goes the whole way through, and there are vents on the floor, so it's just heaps more comfortable. There is also an LCD screen in the back, so you're able to put on a movie for the kids for those long drives, or just to keep them quiet. And going to the front, we've got a big LCD panel on the dash. Not a lot about this I can say, other than I think it looks really cool. It kind of adds to like the aesthetic of the car more than anything. The car's also a push to start that holds no significance. I just think it's kind of cool to flex on people with. Even though I'm sure that it's kind of standard nowadays to get push to start in your vehicle, but shut up, I'm showing off. There's also a sunroof out the front, which is really cool, but because I live in Australia, I've decided this is now just a moonroof because the sun hurts when it's on my face. But driving around at nighttime, if I want a bit of airflow, opening that up is cool. There's also 2 fixed panels of glass on the roof at the back, so the kids can just sort of open it up and get some sunlight, or just have a look at the sky while we're driving. But yeah, that's our new car. We are super excited that we got it. It was something that we looked forward to for a long time. It took a while for us to decide on a car, so we're just super happy that we've got it now, and the kids love it. Also, I've got to give a big shout out to my broker, Julia Hart. I'm going to put her details around here somewhere. If you guys are looking for a broker to help you with home loan things for buying your first home or car loans, hit her up because she is amazing. She was the one who helped me get my house initially, and I've known her for quite a while, so I'll just leave her details here. And if you need someone to help you, give her a call because she's super easy to talk to, and I can't explain how easy she made this process for us. And also, for anyone else wondering, I'm not a massive car guy, but it has a 4-cylinder turbo engine underneath, so I have turbo. Anyway, what else happened? We got a new fence, finally, thank goodness. We've been talking with our neighbors for, it feels like maybe 2 years to get this fence done, so finally getting it done now has taken off a lot of pressure, and seeing the end result is amazing. I don't know if anyone else can relate, but it's just super awesome to have something new and fresh in your home that like before was so ugly and horrible, and now it's just I guess a big focal point of the backyard. The guy who put up the fence is the same guy that's done a bit of yard work for me, landscaping and cutting everything. So if you're looking for a landscaper who does really good work, I'll leave his link down in the description down below onto his Facebook, and you can give him a message. He's honestly always been super cool, and he's always done a really good job here. So yeah, super impressed with this fence. Also, like I said, we're having a baby in the next couple months, which is super awesome, such a blessing. And yeah, I guess we'll let you know how that goes. But yeah, there's not a lot else I want to say other than it was just sort of an update of what we've been doing and what's been going on for the last little while, and just what we've been working towards. And yeah, we're super happy with the things that are going on right now. But also, I haven't posted a video in a while, and I missed this, guys. I missed talking to you fellas. But yeah, anything else I can tell you guys? Anime wise, I'm watching Tokyo Revengers. Like I said, I would be in my last What Will I Be Watching. That shit is amazing. Which, yes, I knew it would be, but I know a lot of people now are just starting to talk about it, which is fucking awesome. Yeah, that is going great. One Piece manga, oh my gosh, that's going crazy. My Hero is super exciting. Undead Unluck is fucking amazing right now. Jujutsu Kaisen is now on hiatus. Unfortunately, Gege Akutami is now sick, I believe. So yeah, sending out all the prayers to that guy. Hopefully he is in better health soon and can get back to giving us this amazing Jujutsu Kaisen story. But yeah, if you don't already, go follow me on my Instagram. That's where I post stuff about the manga that I'm reading, sometimes the anime that I'm watching, but mostly the manga that I'm reading. I'll post panels on there, some of my favorite artwork throughout the chapter. But yeah, I guess that'll do it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button for me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you already haven't. Link should be over here somewhere, I don't know. It'll be somewhere over here. Anyway, all that being said, thank you so much for watching. New videos coming soon. I'm the Saiyan Satsumi. Catch you guys next time.